If I tell you we're going to the ice cream shop, you probably think of a warm, hot summer day, and you think of the colors red, orange, and yellow. If I said we're gonna go get some hot chocolate, you probably think it's a cold, freezing day outside, and you think of winter, and you think of the colors blue, purple, gray, maybe a light green, and these are our cool colors. So today we're gonna work with our warm and cool colors. We are going to start your warm and cool color project. Now you have two ways. You can hold your paper tall way or you can hold it sideways. I'm just gonna go tall way because I already set it up this way. The first thing you're gonna do is using a pencil, you are going to trace your hands. After you have traced your hand, you're gonna trace it with a Sharpie. It doesn't have to be totally perfect because we're going to land up adding a lot of lines. When you're done, you want to erase all your pencil marks. So you want to take your eraser and erase any little pencil marks that you might have. Okay, now using your pencil again, you are going to start making shapes on your picture. So let's start. You can either do a circle or a square. I'm going to do a circle. And you're basically going to make targets or bullseyes all around the page. Now, you guys can either trace this or not. I actually think easier not to trace. Using crayons or markers, it doesn't matter which one. Markers will take longer, crayons will take a little less, and you can even paint it if you want. You are going to color either the hand warm and cool colors. So I'm going to pull up my cool colors, just as an example. Here would be my cool colors. And then you can do the other part in warm colors. Okay, so these would be my warm colors. So I have warm and cool. Start out first with the hand. Now, we're going to start this out in a pattern, so it's a little tricky. Let's start out yellow. And you're going to color till you reach the line on the pencil line. So in this case, we're going to do yellow here. There's a yellow here. But there is no yellow line here. See, there's no line. Next, I'm going to do orange. So look, you can see this would be the orange section up to that line. Then this whole area is up to that line. And this whole finger. And if you watch, I actually trace the shape first. It makes it much easier with the marker, and then I go in and color. That way I can stay in the line and be nice and neat. Then the next section you can see right here, that's going to be red. And you don't have to follow my pattern. You can do whatever pattern you want. And if you want your hand to be cool colors, you would just do the exact same thing I'm doing, but you would use cool colors. Once I finish the red, I would then start again with my with my yellow. Now look, see this line right here? That's red. Take my time and I color it. So I'm not going to do the whole hand. This way you can work on it yourself and take your time. This is not a quick project, so remember that. So I'm going to start with blue in the middle because I'm going to do my cool colors for my background. So I start with my blue. Let's do purple. The background's a little easier because you're going to follow, but when you get to the fingers, remember, do not color in the fingers. See how I trace? Like I said earlier, you can do cool colors for the hand or you can do warm colors for the hand. In the background, you can do cool colors or warm colors. Whatever it is, you have to stick with those colors. You can't try to change them around. And you're really only using 6 colors. 3 cool, and 3 warm. So here's the part where it gets tricky. I don't want to go through the hand, I want to go around the hand. And I want to go around the shape of the circle. Okay? I'm not going to finish this because I think I'll give you guys time to work on yours. But do you get the idea? You can check out the example in the Schoology section, and then under our lesson called Warm and Cool Hands, and then you can see a couple of examples, so that can give you some ideas. Like I said, take your time, go slow. When it's done, it's going to look like an optical illusion also, so it looks really cool. Again, if you have any questions, you can write in the chat, or you can email me through Clever. But when you're finished, take a picture. Take a nice picture so I see everything, and then post it into Schoology so I can grade your assignment and give you a grade. Hope you have a great time with this. Hope you enjoy it. And remember, warm and cool colors.